Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Has this ever happened to you? You're super excited to go to the park or a campground and set up on a picnic table and have a nice meal with your friends and family, but you discover that there are bird droppings, graffiti, or just plain old germs everywhere on the picnic table. That happens to me all the time. So I finally decided that I needed this set of picnic table and bench covers from KENOBEE. I'm so pleased with how well these work. It's so nice to be able just to put them down and not worry that I'm getting something germy or gunky on myself. These fit a standard picnic size, which is 72 inches long. Now, what I did find is that our park has several different sizes of picnic tables, and some of them are quite large that these do not fit on. But again, they fit a standard size picnic table. I love that they're waterproof, so if you spill something on them, it's really easy to clean up or just wipe off. There's also a nice flannel inside that gives it a little bit of extra padding. So it's soft and comfy if you want to lean your elbows on the table, and gives you a little bit extra padding on your seat. When I first opened them, they just had a very slight chemical smell, so I hung them on our clothesline overnight, and then the smell was completely gone. So just airing them out gets rid of it really quickly. I got the blue flywheel design, and I think it's really cute. I can't wait to use these every time we go camping or to the park. I feel like they should just be a part of your standard set that you use when you're going to be outdoors. And that's my point of view.